sponsors.
Come here, guys.
Hey, Naya.
Come here.
Are you ready?
No.
Naya. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Meet in the garage in like
Right when
8 minutes or 5 minutes.
You guys are so bad at this.
No, don't hold them like that, Ryan.
What the crap? Guys, oh my gosh.
Haley, are you ready?
You guys are so bad at this.
Haley, are you ready?
No.
Go get ready because we're leaving in like 5
You
minutes.
gotta watch out. We're gonna get on your shoulder.
Bye, Brooke.
Oh my gosh! So dumb. Stupid chicken. Chicken? Oh yeah. Oh damn chicken. You're gonna be a chicken if you don't freaking get on our hands.
Are you playing?
He doesn't trust you, Ryan.
Give it to me.
Oh my gosh, he only likes me. What the crap are you guys doing?
No, it doesn't. It's on my shoulder.
I want it for me.
You can't hold him like that. Just put him on your hand like this. There we go. Okay, Naya.
Oh,
Wait, let me put it in the season.
it's a baby bird. You see it? Oh, that's cool. It's like so cool.
Okay.
No, don't let it.
I'm ready.
How much more time?
5 to 6 minutes. Don't kill me.
5 to 6 minutes.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, see her earring? See it? Unseated. Oh, fell out. Okay. Hey, no, we're not doing that.
Wow, it has a big wingspan.
Try it with Hazel. She has earrings.
Don't let it poop on you.
Try it with Hazel. She has earrings.
Don't poop on me, Ryan. Take him off. He's gonna poo. Oh, Aiden's in the way. Oh. Bye, birdie. Bye. Stop turning away from me. Stop turning.
What are you doing, Ryan?
Are you Lion King? Is that Lion King?
Lion King. Oh.
Why are there seeds all
I
over
dare you to throw it.
Why are there seeds all over the trap?
Okay, because we're trying to get these seeds.
Hi, Bear.
Well, guess what we found out?
Hi,
He
Bear.
likes to eat earrings.
Earrings.
Okay, we put him on Naya's shoulder and he started pecking at Naya's earring.
Okay.
Like he's painting on him. It's really warm.
He's
Right.
Right. And like
Whoa!
awesome! His first flight!
cute. Oh. First flight.
Put it on my
Awesome.
shoulder.